Hey, mister. Can I have one double dipstick sundae, please?
And yes, it's hot out here, and right after we're done with this review, we're gonna go get some ice cream, right guys?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm getting some.
Okay, let's look at this thing. We got it all put together here. Old man's sitting down because my knees are just too old to be on this cement floor, but we got this thing all put together, don't we? Yeah. Can you open the door?
Yes.
It's actually got working doors.
Okay. Not even open.
There you
Yes.
go. Okay, let's stand back here and show them the door. See how the door opens up? We're gonna talk about all the features this thing's got, okay guys? It actually has dual motors, so it's got two motors, one on each wheel, so when they go in the rocks and stuff like that, you'll be able to go through that. You won't have that one wheel spinning, right?
Because with one of mine, it couldn't go through rocks.
It couldn't go through rocks. This one I think will do better. Plus, this one, let's show them this. It's actually got lights on the roll bar too. It's got lights on the roll bar. I'll turn it on. Now look at the front. Here it starts right up. Are the headlights lit up? Go look at the headlights. Are they lit up?
No.
You just turned it off. Okay. Are they lit up?
Yes.
Okay, so it's got working headlights. It's actually got a Bluetooth radio in here that you guys can hook to your phone and play your own music on it. It does have a horn. You gotta leave it on. Nothing works unless you leave it on. Okay, step back. There, the horn works. We got horn.
And
It's
it
got,
has a battery thing right there.
yeah, it tells you your battery, how full your battery is. We already got it charged up.
Yes.
It was easy to put together. The only thing you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. It comes with the little wrenches to tighten the wheels on, but it didn't come with a Phillips screwdriver, and you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. But other than that, it took me about 15 minutes to put it together. It's pretty simple.
What the heck?
He's just having fun. So, do you like this, Colton? Is this like? Do you like it? Can you tell everybody you like this thing? Do you like it? Is it cool? What else do we ask him to do? Give us a thumbs up. Oh, it's got a remote too. It's got a remote control, so if you put a really little person in there that doesn't know how to drive them yet, you can actually drive them for them. What else can we tell them? It sells for like $99. Robin will put a link in below.
That's halfway like $100.
That's almost like $100, yeah. So do you like this?
Yes.
What are the features? It's got mirrors, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's got mirrors.
But they're just have stickers.
It's a Jeep, you know that? You know it's a Jeep, right? That's pretty cool. Got a seat belt in there.
Yes.
Those are all the features, but we're gonna go and take it out now.
Yes.
You guys can
and
drive it around. We'll film the kids driving it around, right? Yeah. So.
Yeah. I kind of.
Yep. Seat belt works.
Yes.
All right. Well, it's all together. It's all charged up.
Yes.
We just need to do the test drive. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Don't let the hills scare you. The hills are the fun part.
Oh my God.
All right. Watch where you're going. Slow down, guy. Watch where you're going. You're going to hit something. Is that pretty cool? Yeah. Yeah. Well, one way I'd get my exercise.
Oh my God.
Just following him around the neighborhood. You're good. Keep going. Let's keep going. We'll turn around down here. Come on. How old are you? You're 6? Your brother's 3? So it works for 3 to 6-year-olds, no problem. How much you weigh? You know how much you weigh? You're fine. Do you know how much you weigh? No? Well, I know it's not 66 pounds because it'll hold up to 66 pounds. So hold on a second. We're going to use this crosswalk. Let me make sure that... Yeah, you're good. We're going to do a turnaround right here. Come on. No cars are coming. Good job. Now we'll go right back to that driveway between those two vehicles. Yep, you can go right back up on the sidewalk. Keep going. There you go. It's a little windy out here. There you go. Put it in the garage. Come here, Colton. Woohoo! All right, stop right there for a second. Because guess what, guys?
What?
So now, after your brother's done here,
What? Ice cream.
we get ice cream.
Yeah.
I think he's more interested in driving this longer. You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, it's hot out, so we're gonna get some ice cream. Is that fun? He's pretty intense right there. All right, now we're gonna try to run your brother over.
Stop there, Colton. Stop. Okay.
Good job.
It's my turn now. I'm driving into the garage.
You're driving into the garage. So what do you think of this? Was this fun? Yeah, we're gonna give it a thumbs up?
Double thumbs up.
Double thumbs up? If they like the video, give it a thumbs up, right?
Yes, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
Always.